Hey guys, bentornati to Love Heritage Food. Today we are cooking king prawns with white wine. Easy and quick recipe. It takes 20 minutes. Okay, let's start. In a non-stick pan, let's fry our garlic. Once the oil is hot and the garlic has a golden color, we add the prawns. Make sure you cook the prawns on both sides, so they catch the oil everywhere. After 5 minutes, add the white wine. Let it cook for a few minutes and then add parsley, salt and pepper. Now leave it to cook for 15 minutes. Ready to serve! Delicious and beautiful! Buon appetito! Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of these recipes. See you next Saturday!